Welcome back to All About Fire Protection channel. My name is Karen. Today we are going to discuss placement of heat detector with high ceiling. Okay, before that, let me give you a preview of what has been shared in this channel. When designing high ceiling, okay, there is a certain standard that you have to follow based on NFPA, and that's called heat detector spacing reduction. So let's take a look at the table here. Okay, if your ceiling is 0 to 3 meters, you will multiply listed spacing by 1. Okay, if your ceiling is greater than 3 up to 3.7, you will multiply it by 0.91. Okay, if it's more than 3.7 up to 4.3, you will multiply it by 0.84. Then 4.3 up to 4.9, your multiplier is 0.77, and so on. So for example, okay, you have a ceiling height of 3.7 and the maximum limited spacing by per the manufacturer is 10 meters. We are going to multiply it with 0.91. So therefore, it will be 9.1 meters listed spacing. So that's it for the placement of heat detector at high ceiling. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye. Keep safe.